All right, viewers, we are getting breaking news coming in from Bangladesh. Now, 3 new additional Attorney Generals have been appointed by President Mohammad Shahabuddin. The new additional Attorney Generals are Abdul Jabbar Bhuiyan, Arshadur Rauf and Anik Rushd Haq. Earlier, on the 8th of August, senior advocate Asadur Zaman was appointed the 17th Attorney General for the state. So now you can see, viewers, the entire rejig that's happening ever since the Sheikh Hasina government has been now toppled. And the latest we have is that the 3 new additional Attorney Generals have been appointed by President Shahabuddin, Abdul Jabbar Bhuiyan, Arshadur Rauf and Anik Rushd Haq. And remember, this just after senior advocate was Muhammad Asadur Zaman was appointed the 17th Attorney General for the state. So there is, of course, a rejig that is happening, a big move by the President of Bangladesh. And in fact, Ishan Dev is joining us live on the phone line for more. Ishan Dev, tell us more details, the significance of this move announced by the Bangladeshi government.
Well, Rakshita, Bangladesh's new dispensation, that is the new interim government of Bangladesh, is appointing new appointees to almost all the key posts, which are very important and significant for the government. You know that in the Reserve Bank there is a lot of there has resignations which are allegedly by force. And in many colleges and universities also, resignations are coming in. And we have visuals also in which we are seeing that they are being forced by a group of people to resign because they think themselves, they think the current post holders to be the representatives of Sheikh Hasina's dispensation. That is why these rejigs are happening. And now in the judiciary also, we know that the Chief Justice of Bangladesh Supreme Court, along with some other judges who were there during Hasina's regime, they have also resigned, and new appointments have been done to those posts also. Now 3 more additional Attorney Generals have been appointed, and these new additional Attorney Generals are Abdul Jabbar Bhuiyan, Arshadur Rauf and Anik Haq. Earlier on August 8th, senior advocate Muhammad Asadur Zaman was appointed the 17th Attorney General of the state, and now he is getting 3 more as additional Attorney General. Rakshita.
Right. In fact, Ishan, they were getting much more details right now, because what has happened and this is another breaking input that we're getting from Bangladesh, is that the Dhaka court has now accepted the murder case against Sheikh Hasina. Hasina, remember, viewers, has been now charged with the murder of a grocery shop owner. And now the court in Dhaka has accepted the charges against Sheikh Hasina. Court orders police to record an FIR against Sheikh Hasina, and the arrest warrant is all set to be issued against Sheikh Hasina, who's, of course, no more in Bangladesh now. She fled and she landed in the national capital of India after her government was toppled. But now she has been booked in a murder case of murder of a grocery shop owner. And the court in Dhaka has now accepted the case, ordered the police to record an FIR, and also an arrest warrant will be issued against Sheikh Hasina. So all this happening, as we were just telling you, the judicial rejig that has been happening in Bangladesh. And in fact, my colleague Krutarth is joining us live from the newsroom. Krutarth, what do we make of this news that is coming in? A murder case against Sheikh Hasina, who has fled the country, and an arrest warrant will also be now issued against her for a murder of a grocery shop owner.
Good evening, Rakshita, and yes, that is right. This is possibly one of the first of the many cases that can come on Sheikh Hasina's way. And let me tell our viewers the specifics of this case and why exactly Sheikh Hasina has been now charged with murder. This murder case is about a shop owner named Abu Saeed, who belonged to the Mohammadpur area of Bangladesh, who was shot dead allegedly by police on July 19th during the protests. Now, the charge against Sheikh Hasina is that she was the one who ordered the police to open indiscriminate fire on the protesters when the peak of the students' movement was going on in July 19th in Dhaka, in Bangladesh, and around this time the shopkeeper lost his life. Now, along with Sheikh Hasina, 6 other senior members of the government have also been charged. Let me read out the names, Rakshita, for you and our viewers. Awami League General Secretary Abudel Kader, former Home Minister Asaduzman Khan Kamal, former Inspector General of Police Chaudhry Abdullah Al Mamoon, former DMP Commissioner Habibur Rahman, and many others. So you see, it is the Home Ministry, the senior police administration and apparatus under Sheikh Hasina, as well as the Prime Minister herself, who has now been named and booked under the section 302 of the Bangladesh Penal Code. And now these people will set charge in the court for the murder of the shopkeeper from Mohammadpur. These are the inputs that we are picking up from Bangladesh, Rakshita.